It's very important for safety managers to be able to justify their expenditure on safety programs because every company and every department within that company has to adhere to an annual budget. And with safety, it's not as simple as just the products that they're purchasing to keep their employees safe. A big part of that is the cost of recordable injuries and the cost avoidance associated with that. So it's not as simple as just a figure that you spend on products every day. It's a lot more wrapped up in the programs, the training, and the cost avoidance. In one instance, I had a customer that was layering gloves and sending those gloves out to be laundered. We were able to replace the multiple gloves that they were using. We were able to increase their protection, so that was reducing their recordable injuries by more than half. And we saved them over $100,000 a year in hard cost savings of spending money on gloves. So when we work with our customers to provide cost savings documentation, we're not only looking to save them money, but we are looking to improve their safety programs. Because by improving the safety programs and the awareness and reducing the number of injuries, we are saving them money overall, and we're building that culture of safety. Building a safety culture is really the foundation for the safety program. Once people believe in being safe and doing things more safely and pointing out errors and issues, then it just continues to grow and grow over time.